Once upon a time, there was a king who ruled over the land of India, and his name was Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan deeply loved his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal was not only a symbol of beauty and grace, but her love had made Shah Jahan madly devoted to her. The story of their love was famous far and wide. But fate had something else in store. One day, Mumtaz Mahal departed from this mortal world. Shah Jahan's grief was heartbreaking to witness. He was extremely sorrowful and would spend his days and nights shedding tears in memory of his beloved. Then one day, he resolved to build a monument in memory of his love, a monument that would remind the world of Mumtaz Mahal for generations to come. Thus, the construction of the Taj Mahal began on the banks of the Yamuna River. The craftsmen worked day and night, and after several years, the Taj Mahal was completed in all its glory. This structure, made of white marble, became world famous for its beauty. However, behind the stunning face of the Taj Mahal, some hidden secrets were concealed. It is said that there are secret chambers beneath the Taj Mahal. The doors of these rooms remain closed to this day, and no one knows what lies inside. Some believe that royal treasure was hidden in those rooms, while others think the rooms were built to strengthen the structure. Another popular story suggests that Shah Jahan had planned to build a black Taj Mahal across from the white one. He wanted his tomb to be made of black marble so that the two monuments would stand facing each other as symbols of love. But unfortunately, his son Aurangzeb did not let this dream come true. It is also said that Shah Jahan ordered the hands of the Taj Mahal's architects to be cut off so they could never create another structure of such beauty. This story remains popular among people, although some historians consider it a myth. Another amazing secret of the Taj Mahal is that its marble appears to change color at different times of the day. In the morning, it seems light pink. In the afternoon, it shines bright white, and on moonlit nights, it glows like sparkling silver. People believe this is the light of Mumtaz Mahal's love that radiates over the Taj Mahal. Even today, the Taj Mahal stands as the greatest symbol of love. Whoever sees it becomes lost in its beauty, its story, and its mysteries. This monument still holds an untold tale of love within itself, captivating every visitor with its charm. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.